The other day I was out here with my boy Just trying to do some little mods to the car, some minor stuff, some you know cosmetic stuff done on the car, get her looking nice and all that. Until it's time for the season to come back. But we didn't get to do the skid plate on the bottom. So that's this right here. So I'm gonna just go under the car and install it really quick. It should be really easy because it's these wrap around exhausts, and I'm all done. But I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else to the car today. But I'm gonna just do that and see where my head's at and see if I'm gonna want to do anything else. But yeah. Okay, so I'm about to install the scrape plate and looking for the lowest point on my exhaust, which is right here. And you can see that when it was low, it was getting scraped and frayed right there. Alright, so I'm gonna loosen the brackets that are gonna hold this on. And I'm not gonna do it under here because it's really tight under here. Posts about carmeet going on today, so I might end up going to one tonight. Hopefully I get some footage and stuff, take some good pictures and shit. Why I miss all that?
Gone again, front line.
I know, I already know.
It looks like Gucci.
Fake dude. I'm about to say, yo, where my fries just went, bro?
I lost that.
We gotta donate that to the car, like that SI moving with him, you see it?
On skirt. A backup spot. See, I knew they was gonna leave Target.
Crazy how this beam was dead with us.
Bumps.
Yeah, I keep afraid of the bumps. Come on, Black. Out of the way, man. Or you say you're gonna do a lap in the lot so I can get some footage?
What? Bro, what is this man doing? Yo!
I don't know. Don't ask me, bro. Chill, bro. Why you did that? Make me fucking laugh. So that ended up being all the footage that I got from that night. I didn't really get to take any pictures. The car meet started at 9 o'clock, and I popped out at like 10 to try to see if, by the time I got there, it would be lit, packed, or whatever. I had some people hitting me up telling me that, the car meet was lit from like 9:20, 9:30ish. But, as y'all can see, I popped out with my bro, so I just wanted to hop in the car with the camera instead of having to drive and operate the camera at the same time. Yeah. But like, we got to the lot and spent like 5-10 minutes. I try to finish my food real quick, and by the time I look up, the boys is in the lot, lights going off and all that. So we had to dip out. I heard after that they went to Spot in Queens, but I wasn't trying to take that trip, honestly. It was too much for me. And then I heard that the run that was supposed to happen didn't even get to happen. I was trying to watch people's lives to see what was going on. It took a while for them to get that race started. They were setting up, and I think the boys pulled up on them, and it ain't even happen. So glad I didn't take that trip, because it would have been honestly a wasted trip. Pretty sure I would have got footage in terms of, running around with the cars and all that, but nah, I wanted to see either run or to get the car meet where people are comfortable in the lot for at least 20 minutes, But yeah, that's about it. Alright, so there's actually 3 spaces for the brackets or whatever, but I'm gonna use 2 because I don't think 3 is necessary. Plus, this is a pretty good bracket, so I'll probably use it for something else later. Let's try to go back on there and see how this goes. So I definitely just caught one of the illest cramps in the world in my arm. little shake test a minute ago. This thing is solid. Hopefully it's gonna negate any problems of me scraping and messing up my exhaust.